Sawubona, you beautiful visionary. I am Thembi Buthelezi, Chief Visionary Officer at Future Gen Leaders and the founder of the Future Gen Leaders Foundation. And welcome to Financially Empowered. Welcome, welcome to Financially Empowered. Okay, so usually when I teach, especially about money, because money makes you go, I'm telling you, money makes you go, some kind of way. I swear to you, money makes you, money gonna make you crazy, job. Money gonna make you crazy. Listen, money gonna make you go, So we kind of like need to take it light, and we kind of like need to breathe and take it light and just breathe through this, okay? Money, we need to have fun when we learn about money so that we don't hate money. I love money and money loves me. I always seem to find a way to have everything that I need because I understand that fundamentally I don't love money. I love myself. I have so much confidence in myself that I know that I love me. So money, of course, must love me because I love me and I respect myself and I honor my gifts. So when I bring my gifts to the market, money must love me. But if you have a dysfunctional relationship with money where you hate money, always in fear of money, honestly, you're doing the best you can. Honestly, truly, you're just doing the best you can. You just don't have, you have a knowledge gap. And that's fine. Everybody has a knowledge gap. I don't know everything, right? So nobody knows everything. Nobody knows. The people who say they know everything, run for them. Run. Nobody knows everything. So we're just going to have a very fun time with money. We're going to have a fun time with money. The first thing we're going to do is take a pop quiz. Okay, so the 3 areas that I love to teach money from are soul hustle, boundaries, and get it stepping. Okay, these are the 3 areas that I love to teach from. So soul hustle is, do you have a clear financial vision? The reason why you have money anxiety is because you don't have a clear financial vision. That's it. Because when you get really clear about what you want to do with money, not why you want to have money. Why do you want to have money? For what? What do you want to do with this money? That's a clear financial vision. Then you can start setting boundaries that say, no, I'm not going to happy hour because I have a clear financial vision. I am not going to buy that dress and get myself in debt because I have a clear financial vision. Then what you got to do is get it stepping, boo. Like, you got to get it stepping. You can't tell me that you have a financial vision, you have no boundaries, and you're sitting around watching TV. No. When you have a financial vision, you have boundaries. That means you limit the amount of time of TV that you spend so that you can make sure that your financial vision keeps going. Right? So if you have money anxiety, one of these 3 areas is out of focus. One of these 3 areas. But it usually starts with the soul hustle. No soul vision, no financial vision, no soul hustle, then all of these things. Then you have no boundaries. You spend your money however you want. And you don't feel like doing something, you just don't do it. If you don't want to accomplish your goals, you just don't do it because you have no soul hustle. Okay, so I'm going to teach money from a different perspective because I don't think you should teach money as professional. I mean, nobody cares about that professional stuff. Like, that's why people don't use financial advisors, right? That's why our money stuff we're so dysfunctional with our money stuff because money is tough to talk about. Ooh. Money is tough to talk about. I don't know, like we need to bring a whole lot of humanity into talking about money, child, because money is tough to talk about. Even bankers, like even hedge fund traders. Why do you think people kill themselves when they have no money or when they have money problems? Because money, for men, let me talk about it for men, because I learned this on Wall Street. Money is tied to their sense of being. If I have money, I am a worthy, good man. Okay, that's kind of some kind of crazy for me. But I lived that. I lived that for so many years. It was so painful to have my sense of worth tied to how much money I had in my bank account. It's so crazy to live like that. You always feel less than. You always feel apologetic for who you are. You always feel ashamed. Ooh, no, free yourself. I said, oh, child, free yourself. I ain't gonna live like that no more. No way am I gonna live like that. No. You know, I want to be free. I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. Okay, but let's take your worth quiz, right? Because really, honestly, if we only talk about money from professional, and we're only doing spreadsheets and we're doing like budget, nobody cares about that stuff. That's why people don't have budgets, right? No, because nobody cares. Money should be fun. We've made money so like devoid of humanity, devoid of emotions. Like, nobody cares. That's why people don't pay their bills on time. If I don't feel that this is my money, and I always just feel that, oh, I'm just working to just pay off our bills. I'm just working to pay. You know. So we need to have these conversations about money with some enthusiasm. Okay, hold on. Let me get to the next slide. Our money anxiety power quiz, right? So if you don't have any of these three areas, like kind of like taken care of, you always have money worth problems, right? You're living in anxiety because your sense of worth is tied to what you have on the outside. Your sense of worth should be tied to who you are. And then when you have a sense of worth of who you are, then you can go out and achieve goals. I'm telling you, the goals that you can achieve when you have a sense of worth are far bigger goals than just getting a Maserati or buying a Louis Vuitton. It's like, oh my gosh, no more. Yes, you can have all of that stuff. It's wonderful. But money must mean more to you than just, I just need money to just buy a phone. Like, no, money is a sacred energy. Money is something that the divine creator has given to us to be good stewards of and use it to empower others, to empower ourselves, to empower our families. If money is just for, I just want to have a lot of money, so they're like, oh, I'm like, oh, you're a peasant. Honestly, you're a peasant. You're so low in your thinking that I'm just like, I can't even be friends with you, because money is something to be shared. The more you share, I find the more you share, the more you have to share. So people say, how do you make a lot of money? I say, give a lot. How do you grow your business? Give a lot. Give. I've always lived by this principle. I give. Sometimes you have these people who are so smart and they think they can rip you off. I'm just like, okay, whatever. They have no worth. They are worthless people. So that's why they have to go things. And it's not even true. They're living from a false premise that they are worthless. So in the next module, in the next video, we're going to take our quiz. We're going to go through our quiz, child. We're going to go through our quiz. And then once we go through our quiz, we're really going to make very light of this money. We need to have a lighter relationship with money.